morning, my name is Sirine Amri and I am a student in the Hospitality School of Algiers, Ishqa. Currently, I am looking for a hospitality internship of 6 months in a 5-star hotel. If you are wondering why I am the right candidate, give me 1 minute to tell you why you should. Talking about my experience, I've had a 6 months operational internship in Sheraton Annaba Hotel, in the housekeeping department, the food and beverage department, and the front office department. Then, I had the chance to be a communication coordinator for a temporary jazz lounge restaurant called Seven Sky. Also, I've had the chance to experience a live television appearance to promote the restaurant. Aprender nuevos idiomas. Thank you for watching my video resume. I am looking forward and staying at your total disposal for any further information.